your spokesperson representative for Western Wishes. We're here today with Muddy Water Outfitters north of Wichita Falls, Texas on a guided duck hunt. A new friend, special wish kid here is Cameron, his mom Jennifer. Grandpa come out today and joined us, and boy, what a wonderful time we had. Great weather, could ask for better. And Mike and Jerry put on some ducks. And had a great time today. I appreciate you guys so much for coming out.
Yes, thank you.
And I really appreciate the hospitality last night. We got to share dinner with them last night at their hometown, Seymour. Got to see him around his family, and he's a cowboy through and through. And you know, he's 13 years old. You know, born with seizures, changed the course livelihood of his life. But you know, doctors have their theories, but you know, they can't diagnose, they can't measure, they can't prod, they can't probe. You know, the heart, the desire, something was within. And you know, I've seen it firsthand. You know, firsthand. And to see the tenacity of these kids to live every single day of their life how they want to, and to see the spirit he has, and you know, to be a cowboy. His dad tells me every day he wears cowboy boots and his pearl snap shirt, and spurs, buddy, and that inspires me. You know, they call us cowboys tough and courageous, but you know, we ain't tough and courageous. It's this guy right here. And to be out here to do this, you know, it's been a blessing. I thank you very much. I'd like to thank the Fudge family. This wish was donated by them and sponsored in memory and late honor of the great Brad Fudge, an honest man, a good man, known in the Western industry and the rodeo world, raising world-class shipping bulls. Many of them bulls I had the pleasure to get on myself. So I want to thank you, Becky. I want to thank you, Caitlin, for putting this together. I know without a doubt and full conviction he was looking down on us today, smiling, carrying on his passion and his legacy, and I hope for years to come we'll continue to do this. And as I said, it's a blessing to be here, and I thank you so much. I look forward to doing this again. If anybody out there is watching this and want to be a part of Western Wishes, as a sponsor, as a donator, go to westernwishes.com or find me on Facebook, Jay Morrow, and personal message me. Or if you know a kid in your neighborhood who would like to have a good represent of this, please contact us, because we'd love to have you, love to be a part of you. But other than that, you know, here we are in Wichita Falls, Texas, and had a blast today. And I thank you once again. So, Cameron, did you have a good time today?
Yeah.
I appreciate you, cowboy.
Thank you.
Where's your duck
Oh,
call?
where's your duck call?
Show me that duck call.
Wanna do that?
Show me what you got. Show me what you got. Awesome, thank you.